Hello and welcome to softexpert. Today I am excited to show you an incredible tool for WordPress developers, designers and learners, which is TasteWP. It's a free and instant way to set up a WordPress test site with one click. It's perfect for testing themes, plugins or even practicing WordPress development without installing anything on your local machine or web server, so you can say goodbye to localhost. And the best part is it's free and even no sign up is required. Let's see TasteWP in action. So to access this platform, just go to tastewp.com, where you will learn more about this platform and what is this good for. So you can get started with WordPress quickly. You can play around with themes and plugins, and you can even clone your website to another host, or you can keep your website with your domain name permanently. It's a free platform, but it also has some premium features where there will be no expiry for your website. You can get more space up to 20 GB and the top support in your own domain. They also have a Chrome extension, free plugins install, and free install theme, templates and directory. If you have any questions, you can visit the FAQs. And now let's see how it works. So again, go to tastewp.com, and to set up a new WordPress website, just click I agree, then click this button, set it up. And that's it. Now this is our website URL, and these are our WordPress login details. You can copy these details and you can directly access your website here. And there we go. We got a ready WordPress website. Now again, you can copy your login details, and the website that you set up without sign up or login, it will last up to 2 days, okay? If you want to keep it permanently, you can share TasteWP with your friends and followers, and you will get a 1-9 expiry website for any 3 people you joined, okay? Or you can go to their premium plan as well. But for now, let's use the free version, okay? So just copy the details and then click got it. And again, we got a ready-made WordPress website where we can install themes, plugins, we can test them, and we can even migrate this website to a live server, okay? Let's quickly create a website just to show you, okay? So let's install a theme. I'll go to Appearance, Themes. We'll add a new theme. And now, just like other website, you can use any theme. I'll use Blocksy theme. And let's also install the Blocksy companion plugin to import a ready-made website. By the way, Blocksy is my favorite theme, and it has some starter sites that you can import and customize, okay? I'll switch to free, and now we can import any of these websites. Let's import the first one. You can install the child theme, go to next. You can choose a page builder. I'll choose Elementor. Now it will install the plugins and will import a ready-made website, okay? You can even preview this website and then you can import it. But that's not a part of this video, and I already have a video about this theme. And starter site imported successfully. Let's visit it. And there we go. We got the whole website. Let me also show you the URL. You can see this demo URL, okay? If you want to use your own domain, you can upgrade to the premium plan, okay? Now we can play around this theme. Now we can enter the website and we can do the required changes to it. We can export this website and import it to another hosting, and you can go to the dashboard. Okay, let's click here. You can install new plugins, new themes. You can add freemium themes and plugins, and you can test them and so on. So again, TasteWP is a fast and free way to test WordPress, whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips, and let me know what you think about this platform in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.